Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Facebook Lite notifications aren't working in any of your Android device. So if Facebook Lite notifications aren't working, you can make them work by following the steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if Facebook Lite notifications aren't working.